Welcome back to our podcast today, where we talk about a very important topic for your daily life. Many people have a lot of work to do for school or for their jobs. However, sometimes you do not want to do the work. You wait for a very long time. You watch television, play games, or look at your phone instead of working. This big problem is called procrastination. It is not good for you because you feel a lot of stress and you have no time later. We want to help our listeners stop this bad habit right now. First, you must go to a quiet room in your house. Please turn off your mobile phone and put it away. Do not look at the internet. Next, take a pen and write a list of your tasks on a piece of paper. Choose one very small task to start. Do not choose a big and hard task. Do the small task for just 5 minutes. When you start, the work becomes much easier. After you finish the task, you feel happy and you can take a short break. You can eat a tasty snack or walk outside. Then, go back to work again. This simple plan helps you finish your work on time. Thank you for listening to our advice today, and good luck with your work. The first thing we must understand is what procrastination is. Procrastination is when you have a job to do, but you do not do it. Maybe you need to study for a test. Maybe you need to clean your house, but you say, "I will do it later." You look at your phone, you watch TV, you eat a snack. You do everything else, but you do not do your work. This is procrastination. It is a very common problem. Everyone does it sometimes, but it makes us feel bad. When we wait, we feel stress. We worry about the work. We know we must do it, but we stop ourselves. This is not good for our minds. We need to understand that this feeling is normal, but we can change it. We can learn to start our work immediately. Why do we procrastinate? This is a very good question. Often we wait because the work is hard. We think the job is too difficult. We are afraid that we cannot do it well. Sometimes we are just tired. We want to relax. We do not want to use energy. But usually it is because of fear. We are scared of the big task. We think it will take a long time, so we avoid it. We run away from the work. This makes the work seem even bigger. The longer we wait, the harder it feels. Understanding this is the first step. You are not lazy. You are maybe just a little afraid of the work. That is okay. We can fix this fear together. Now, let us talk about the first solution. It is called the 2-minute rule. This rule is very simple and very effective. If a task takes less than 2 minutes, do it now. Do not wait. For example, maybe you need to wash a dish. It takes 1 minute. Do it now. Maybe you need to send a short email. It takes 2 minutes. Do it now. When you do small things quickly, you feel good. You feel productive. This helps you do bigger things later. It stops the work from piling up. If you wait, you will have many small tasks. That is stressful. So look at your list. Find the small things. Do them immediately. Another big problem is our phone. Our phones are very fun. They have games, videos, and messages, but they are bad for work. When you want to stop procrastinating, you must hide your phone. Do not put it on your desk. Put it in another room. Put it in a drawer. If you see your phone, you will want to touch it. You will want to check your messages. Then you will lose 20 minutes or maybe 1 hour. This is a big distraction. You must be strong. Tell yourself, I will not look at my phone for 1 hour. After 1 hour, you can look. This will help you focus on your work. Without the phone, the work is easier. Let us talk about big tasks. Sometimes a task is very big. For example, writing a long report or cleaning the whole house. This looks very scary. You do not know where to start. So, you do not start. The solution is to break the task down. Make it into small pieces. Do not say, I must clean the house. Say, I will clean the kitchen table. Just the table. That is easy. You can do that. After the table, maybe you clean the sink. Small steps are easy. They are not scary. When you finish one small step, you feel happy. Then you can do the next small step. Slowly, you will finish the big task. You should also use a timer. This is a very popular technique. It is called the Pomodoro technique. You set a timer for 25 minutes. You work for 25 minutes. You do not stop. You do not look at your phone. You only work. 25 minutes is not a long time. You can do it. When the timer rings, you stop. You take a break. You relax for 5 minutes. This is your reward. Then you start the timer again. This helps your brain focus. It is easier to work when you know a break is coming soon. Try this today. Set your timer and see how much work you can do. It is also important to plan your day. When you wake up, you might feel confused. You do not know what to do first. So, you do nothing. You procrastinate. To stop this, make a list. Write down 3 things you must do today. Only 3 things. Do not write 20 things. That is too many. 3 things are possible. Write them on a piece of paper. Put the paper on your desk. Look at it. Do the first thing on the list. When you finish, cross it out. Drawing a line through the task feels very good. It shows you are winning. A plan helps you move forward. It gives you direction for your day. Sometimes we procrastinate because we want to be perfect. We want our work to be the best. This is called perfectionism. It sounds good, but it is bad. If you want to be perfect, you will be afraid to start. You will worry about mistakes. But everyone makes mistakes. Mistakes are okay. It is better to do the work with mistakes than to do nothing. Do not try to be perfect. Just try to be good. Just try to finish. You can fix the mistakes later. First, you must do the work. Tell yourself, it does not need to be perfect. It just needs to be done. This will help you relax and start working. Your environment is very important too. Look at your room. Is it messy? Is it loud? It is hard to work in a messy place. If your desk has many papers, you cannot focus. You will look at the papers and feel stress. Before you work, clean your space. Make your desk clear. Make your room quiet. Maybe listen to soft music. Some music helps you concentrate. Do not listen to music with words, just instrumental music. A clean and quiet place tells your brain it is time to work. It makes working easier. Take 5 minutes to clean your space before you start your tasks. You must also be kind to yourself. Sometimes you will procrastinate. You will have a bad day. You will watch TV all day. That happens. Do not be angry at yourself. If you are angry, you will feel sad. When you are sad, you will procrastinate more. It is a cycle. If you have a bad day, forgive yourself. Say, today was not good, but tomorrow will be better. Being kind gives you energy. Being angry takes your energy away. We need energy to work. So accept your mistake, learn from it, and try again the next day. You are learning a new habit. It takes time. Let us talk about the morning. The morning is a very special time. If you start the morning well, the day is good. If you start the morning badly, the day is bad. Do not check your phone in bed. This is a very bad habit. If you look at social media in bed, you will stay there. You will waste time. Get up immediately. Drink water. Move your body. Do your hardest task first. In the morning, you have the most energy. Your brain is fresh. Do the difficult job now. If you wait until the afternoon, you will be tired. You will not want to do it. Eat the frog in the morning. That means do the hard thing first. Another tip is to find a partner. Working alone can be lonely. It's easy to stop working when no one is watching. Find a friend who also wants to work. You can study together. You do not need to talk. You just sit in the same room. Or you can talk on the phone. Tell your friend, I will write my report for 1 hour. Your friend says, okay, I will read my book. Knowing that your friend is working helps you. You do not want to be the lazy one. This is called accountability. It is very powerful. Ask a friend to help you stop procrastinating today. Think about the feeling of finishing. How do you feel when you finish your work? You feel free. You feel happy. You can relax without guilt. You can enjoy your free time. When you want to procrastinate, think about this feeling. Imagine you are finished. Imagine you are watching a movie with no stress. This image can motivate you. You want that good feeling. The only way to get it is to do the work. Keep your eyes on the prize. The prize is your freedom. The prize is your relaxation. Use this happy thought to help you start your difficult work right now. We have talked about many things today. We talked about the 2-minute rule. We talked about breaking big tasks into small steps. We talked about hiding your phone. We talked about using a timer. All these things are tools. You can use them to help you. You do not need to use all of them at once. Pick one tool. Try it today. See if it helps. If it helps, keep doing it. If it does not help, try a different tool. Stopping procrastination is a journey. It is practice. Every day you can get better. You can become a person who does things now. Thank you for listening to this long episode about procrastination. I hope you found these tips helpful. Procrastination is a hard habit to break, but you can do it. Remember to take small steps. Be kind to yourself. Plan your day. Remove your phone. You have the power to change your life. You can be more productive. Now, I have one last important thing to say. Please subscribe to the English Flow podcast channel. Follow us on all our social media platforms. We have many more lessons for you. We want to help you learn English and improve your life. See you in the next episode.